Hello friends, this is Mahita. Welcome to Smart Education in Your Hands. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about Asia political map with smart tricks to remember them easily. Part 3. In the first two parts, we have discussed about the facts to be remembered on the continent Asia and what are the subregions are there in Asia and what are the countries are there in Asia, etc. And now in this video, we are mainly concentrating on South Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia. Before moving on to the video, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Okay, let's start our video. These are the subregions of Asia. And in this video, we are mainly focusing on South Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia. Okay, let's start. South Asia. South Asia is having 8 countries. See S. So 8 countries are there. South Asia is having 8 countries. Remember that. And these 8 countries are officially belongs to SAARC. SAARC means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. I will do a separate video on SAARC because it is very important. So please watch that video too. Okay. And the Maldives is the smallest country in Asia. Whereas what is the largest country in Asia? Russia. And what is the most populous country in Asia? That is China, right? And Maldives and the Sri Lanka, both island nations, have highest literacy rate in South Asia with 98.6% and 92% respectively. All of 14 of the tallest mountains on the earth, known collectively as the 8,000ers, are located in South Asia. All 14 mountains, tallest mountains, are located in South Asia. And even Karakoram range and Mount Everest, these are all located in South Asia only. Okay. 2 nations in South Asia is having nuclear weapons, India and Pakistan. Although Pakistan is a nuclear power and has the second highest nominal GDP in South Asia, the literacy rate is only 58%. And this is our South Asia on the globe. And as you see, the north of the South Asia is having Central Asia and China, etc. And the south of Central Asia is having Indian Ocean, and the western part is having Western Asia, and eastern part is having East Asia and Southeast Asia. And okay, this is the geographical extent. And now these are the countries. South Asia is having 8 countries. What are they? Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Here it is Myanmar, okay. And total 8 countries are there. These are the countries of South Asia. And now we will discuss about East Asia. East Asia is the largest expanse of territory with China. China is the largest country in East Asia. And China is having neighboring countries like North Korea, South Korea, and Japan, Mongolia, etc. there. And the island of Taiwan. Taiwan is located there. Do you know Taiwan, right? Taiwan means, yes, this is a country which is not considered as a country by United Nations. And what is the other country which is not considered as country by United Nations? Palestine. Yes. And Taiwan is having independent government, and that has been separated from mainland China since shortly after World War II. On the southern coast of China is Hong Kong. Hong Kong is very famous, and it is a former British possession with one of the best ports in Asia. And East Asia is surrounded by series of mountains, and the Himalayas border Tibet and the Nepal, the Karakoram range, Pamirs and Tian Shan mountain, Shadow Central Asia, etc. mountains are there in East Asia. And as you see, this is our East Asia on the globe. And if you see here, the north of East Asia is having Russia, and the south is having Southeast Asia, and the eastern part of East Asia is having Pacific Ocean, and the western part is having West Asia and Central Asia. Okay, this is the geographical extent. If you remember the countries, China, Mongolia. North Korea, South Korea, Japan. That's it. China, Mongolia, North Korea, South Korea, and Japan. CMNSJ. That's it. It is easy to remember, right? East Asian countries. And this is our Taiwan, the independent nation. Okay, and now we will learn about Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia is composed of 11 countries. They are Brunei, Burma or Myanmar, Cambodia, Timor-Leste, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. It consisting of the regions that are geographically south of China. I will explain you. See, this is our Southeastern Asia, and the north of Southeast Asia is having, yes, China, and the west of Southeast Asia is having Indian Ocean and India, and the south of Southeast Asia is having Australia, and the eastern part of Southeast Asia is having Pacific Ocean. That's it. This is the geographical extent of Southeast Asia. And these are the countries, 11 countries in Southeast Asia. Okay, I will explain you. Yeah, and the region is the only part of Asia that lies partly within southern hemisphere. Yes, as you see here, I will show you. Wait. Yes, see here, this is the equator, right? And below the equator also there is one country, that is Indonesia. Indonesia is the country which is completely present in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so we say that Asia is mainly located in the northern hemisphere but partly located in the southern hemisphere also. And which country is located completely in the southern hemisphere? That is Indonesia. Okay, and these are the countries. How to remember these countries? There are total 11 countries, right? We have to remember the countries like 5, 3 and 3. Remember like this: 5, 3 and 3. See here, first 5 countries I will explain you. The first 5 countries are Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam. Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam. How to remember this? Sorry for that. Okay. MLC TV. Remember like this. MLC means Member of Legislative Council. MLC TV. Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and T means Thailand and Vietnam. MLC TV. 5 countries. First 5 countries are MLC TV. Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Thailand and Vietnam. Okay, these are our first 5 countries. Then what are the 3 countries? If you see here, see, Malaysia. This is Malaysia and this is also Malaysia. So Western Malaysia, wait, I will show you. Yeah, this is Malaysia and this is also Malaysia. The western part of Malaysia is having small country, that is Singapore, and the eastern part of Malaysia is having another small country, that is Brunei. So Malaysia, western Malaysia is having Singapore, the eastern Malaysia is having Brunei. So these countries. Next 3 countries are these: Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei. Remember, what are the first 5 countries? MLC TV, right? MLC TV. That is Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand and Vietnam. And then what are the next countries? Remember Malaysia. M, right? First 5 countries also it is M, and this next 3 countries also it is started with M. Malaysia. Malaysia, western part of Malaysia is having, yes, Singapore, and the eastern part of Malaysia is having Brunei. MSB, right? Easy to remember. MSB. Malaysia, Singapore, and in the Malaysia, Brunei. Okay, these are the 3 countries. And next 3 countries are Indonesia. Yes, the southern hemisphere country, Indonesia, and Timor-Leste, and this is our Philippines. I will show you, wait. This is our Philippines. Philippines, see, it is easy to remember. All the islands combined to form Philippines. And these are all Indonesia. These are all Indonesia. Okay, and very small part. This is Timor Leste. Timor Leste. So remember like this. What are the other three countries? They are Philippines, Indonesia, and Timor. PIT. PIT. So Philippines, Indonesia, and Timor Leste. Very small countries. See, this is Timor Leste, and this is Philippines and Indonesia. These are the total countries. Okay, I will revise you. Wait. And, yes. The southeast, sorry, this is Southeast Asia is having 11 countries, right? How to remember these countries? 5, 3, and 3, right? What are the five countries? MLC, TV. And next three countries? Yes, Malaysia, Brunei, and Singapore. And another three countries? PIT, Philippines, yes, Timor, and Indonesia. These are the 11 countries, total 11 countries. In this way, we can remember all the 50 countries in Asia easily. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.